So here it is, all finished. Oops, I see there's a thread I didn't cut off, but I can do that. So I ironed the back a little bit so it looks smooth and put my label on, and I put a hanger on the back, and you'll notice I put it a little bit away from the mid-size because this side is higher, so it's going to be heavier, so I've learned to move it over a little bit. You don't. This is a kind of hanger I just get at like Home Depot or Canadian Tire or Kent, someplace like that. I use them on paintings, but you don't have to use that. You could use a little ring, plastic ring that you get from the fabric store, or even just a loop of ribbon or yarn or anything like that. I just use these because I'm used to them. So I think it turned out really cute. It looks good, it hangs straight, and I hope yours will turn out great too. I can't wait to see.